Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Voguenyog. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, we are going to learn this horrifying yet amazing Halloween look. I know it seems difficult, but it's too easy. So let's get started. First of all, you will need some paints, some brushes, and foundation. Let us first begin with outlining the look. Now we will take some brown, red and a little of black color, mix them all together and create a color similar to that of a wound and apply it to the required area. Be sure to smudge the color completely. Now we will take some white color and mix it with the color we made earlier to make a slightly lighter tone. And then we will create some dots and lines on the wound to add more realistic texture to the wound. And similarly, I repeat the steps on the required area. This is how it looks. Now let us get on to the next step. The next step is to cover the area with the black, which needs to be hidden in the look. Now we will take some orange and red paint, mix them together to create slightly darker orange. And begin with painting the octopus. Now I'll outline the octopus with red color to make it more denser. Now we will make a color lighter than this by mixing yellow in it. Remember to mix the colors completely to create an ombre effect. Now we will make a slightly lighter color and mix them all together. Now let us take some white paint and start drawing the tentacles of the octopus.
You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like.
Now outline the tentacles with a little orange color to add more dimension to the look. To add more dimension to the look, we will apply foundation on the visible area of the skin. Now our look is complete. This is how the final look appears. Do try this look out for Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel.